Most people start meta ads with excitement, but they start with the wrong approach. They create multiple campaigns because they think more testing means better results. They create many ad sets because they believe targeting must be very precise. They also add many creatives because they think one of them will magically work. Now imagine you have only 500 rupees per day. When you divide that budget into 5 ad sets, each ad set receives only 100 rupees. This amount is too small for the system to understand who should see the ad. The algorithm does not get enough data, so it keeps guessing instead of learning. Then, on the next day, many beginners change the audience, change the creative, and change the budget again. Every change resets the learning process. The system starts from zero again, and the ad never stabilizes. This is why people say meta ads do not work, even though the real problems is the structure. Low budget advertising is not about testing everything. Low budget advertising is about focusing on one clear message and one clean setup. When you stop splitting the budget and stop changing things daily, the algorithm finally gets enough data to learn. Once learning happens, the same small budget can start generating consistent leads. So, the first rule of 500 rupees per day advertising is simple: do not do more, do less, but do it clearly and consistently.